Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable call forwarding on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the dialer app on your smartphone and tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display and tap on settings. Now from here, just tap on calling accounts and tap on the name of your SIM card. Now just tap on call forwarding. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now, as you can see, you have a few options for call forwarding. You can enable always call forwarding, or you can set call forwarding when you're busy, or you can set it on when unanswered, or when unreachable. I will select when busy. Now just enter the number to forward your calls to when you're busy. Now once you enter the number to forward your calls to when you're busy, just tap on turn on. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now, as you can see, this is how you can enable call forwarding on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.